Well, good morning and welcome to my first full day on my first solo trip at Walt Disney World. Today is going to be Animal Kingdom. I missed the first bus from All Stars. They say that the buses go from an hour before park opens. So park opens at 7:30. It's 6:30. The first bus left at 6:20. So just so you're aware, I missed that one. That's okay. There's another one coming in a couple of minutes. That is on the app. I've got a 10:40, I think it is, reservation at Boma. So a bit of brunch over at Animal Kingdom Lodge, one of my absolute favourite restaurants. And I love their breakfast, and I haven't had any pog juice this year. I'm just going to delight in that once I get there. I am very excited for my first full day. Animal Kingdom is my favourite park. And I'm going to take some pins, see if I can find anyone to trade with today. So let's go. Always an incredible ride. Got into the queue officially at 7:27 and got into our link chambers at 7:43. So you do the maths of that.
I didn't either.
16 minutes. 12 minutes of that was just moving through the queue, and then the rest was waiting a little bit. So that is going to be the biggest. What's the most popular ride here, or one of them, and it's going to be the longest wait. So I would definitely recommend rope dropping that. Also rope dropping early. Ooh, turned blue like an avatar. And if it's your first time and you've not done Navi River, then I would suggest hopping over to there. I'm not going to do that today. I need to go get my Starbucks. Oh, beautiful. It's lush out here. Starbucks. And then we will see where the day takes us.
My name is Caitlin. I'm joined by Taylor, Keegan, Shelby, and Melissa. And then out in the crowd, we have some of our feathered superstars with you all. Can anyone tell me? You can just shout it out. What kind of birds are these?
Macaws.
Macaws, that's right. If you're thinking parrot, that's also correct. Macaws are a type of parrot. And we have 3 different species of macaw out here right now. Now, we know that these birds are very beautiful, and we love working with them every single day. But we also love going home without them at the end of our workday, and that is because parrots just like this can make really challenging pets. The number one complaint that we hear is their loud voices. That bird can get even louder than that, and the 4 walls of your home can be pretty annoying. They also have very large, very destructive beaks, and they can live a long time too. Decades is not unheard of for them, so they are the lifelong commitment. And that's why we always recommend coming to places like Disney's Animal Kingdom to get your parrot fix and keeping your home parrot-free. Now, we are sure with an organization, they're called the World Parrot Trust, and they are leaders in parrot conservation. Just last year, we traveled down to Bolivia and we brought 14 EPCOT macaws with us. They're part of a breeding program where their offspring will be released out into the wild to hopefully meet up with those wild populations so that we can see skies filled with macaws for generations to come. Skies that look a little bit like this.
I love that show, and this time one actually hit my head. Oh, weird. But it's so cute. Definitely make sure you see it. This time was really good because I wasn't melting in the sun as well. Really good time to come and see it. Love that. Finally got to see Baxo, the baby, who's just turned 1, and heard Sunny, the mum, heard her roar as well. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, it's good weather for them, I think, to be out. After you. It's Kevin! Kevin's a girl! She's been moved out here because of the menagerie animals, which is usually around Discovery Island. I love this park. Like I said before, it's my favourite. It gets a lot of stick because there's, compared to the other ones, there's not a lot to do. Everybody says it's half a day park, but I think that is part of its charm. And the way that I see it, it's a slow park. You walk around really leisurely, and that kind of pace, that's good for me. That is good for me. I've been wandering around looking at the animals, looking at pin trading, bumped into Laura Beth and pin saying, which is really cool. I've done most of the things I want to do this morning. I'm just now on my way to Jumbo House at Animal Kingdom Lodge for some breakfast. I have a rumbly in my tumbly, which is great because it's buffet style. So plenty to eat there. Let's see. And a massive Christmas tree too. I do really want to stay here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Definitely on my bucket list. To be fair, I want to stay at them all. But right up there is Animal Kingdom Lodge. What is on your bucket list? I would love to know. Please let me know. Send me a comment down below and I might add things to my bucket list. I am staying at Beach Club next year. It was a toss-up between Beach Club and Animal Kingdom Lodge. I'd love to stay on Savannah View, have a cup of coffee in the morning overlooking the animals, but Beach Club won it for the lazy river and walking distance to 2 parks, transport, all of that sort of Skyliner. Oh yeah, can't wait for that. It's going to be a good one. Breakfast at Boma. First get to the carving station, so I've got ham and turkey and something called pan, which looked interesting, so I've got some. Round 1 complete, and that is what I thought of that. I can't believe though that I didn't tell you about the main event. This is the whole reason I'm here. It's my beloved cold juice. It is passion fruit, orange and guava, and it's just so good. It tastes so good. And this is my second glass already. Because I have a nut allergy, they've brought me out the allergy listing, which is great as well. No judgment. I've just cleared my second plate. There is a reason this is so popular and people rave about it, because the food is just so good and different from anywhere else. Everybody's been lovely, and I will show you the restaurant. It's just a really good vibe, but the food is phenomenal. You just can't beat it. Really good thing about coming this time, so I had the 10:50 reservation, one of the latest ones, and I'm really using that as my lunch. Also, I would suggest breakfast over dinner because it's cheap, so you get to experience some of this their amazing food and the portions, and it's cheaper than coming for dinner. I keep reading that as turkey booty. I don't think that's what that is. Alfredo potato bars. That's very good, I can recommend. And the so-called biscuits. If you ever wonder what a biscuit is over in America, kind of like a style. Plain pancakes, chocolate chip cakes again, and recommend. And Jamaican people. Eggs. Egg. Place to toast. And then all of these yummy
yet still respect the needs of the land. Welcome to our glimmering greenhouses, where scientists from EPCOT and the U.S. Department of Agriculture illuminate the wondrous gifts we receive from the land. Join us as we ring in the most bountiful time of the year. For some, it's difficult to imagine the holidays without winter and snow, but one of the most important holiday crops actually grows in the tropics. For centuries, farmers in Central America have cultivated cacao to make chocolate. In fact, cacao is chocolate's main ingredient. Today, people around the world are able to enjoy a variety of sweets and keep warm with a cup of hot cocoa, thanks to this tropical plant. They say it's better to give than to receive. And in this greenhouse, we're celebrating the holidays by giving back to the land using innovative farming techniques. With these gifts, our plants can grow an abundance of festive vegetables. This greenhouse alone grows a bountiful 15 tons of produce each year. When we give more, we receive more, making the most of the land's green gifts. Many of the plants you see here help spice up the holidays. The bark of cinnamon trees, like the one growing beside you, is used to make cinnamon sticks. Do you like eggnog? You can thank nutmeg for its signature taste. Other spices, like ginger and vanilla, add flavor to a variety of holiday cookies, cakes, and other delights. By cultivating these festive plants with care and good cheer, EPCOT scientists are able to celebrate the holidays with the land's many gifts.
I didn't record an ending to yesterday's vlog, and that's basically because I was beaten. I did have a relaxed time by the quiet pool at the end of the touchdown area of All Star Sports. It was nice and quiet. It was beautiful weather. And then I went to EPCOT for the evening. Love seeing Spaceship Earth all lit up with all the lights going on, little different shows. I could just watch that all night. Didn't. I had a lightning lane for Cosmic Rewind, Guardians of the Galaxy, which is right up there with one of my most favourite rides ever. Then I went over to, as you saw, Living with the Land, because they've just put up the Christmas overlay. Oh, it's just beautiful. I love that ride as a general chill. I love the music at the end. It just feels really inspiring to me. And with the Christmas overlay, so cute. My favourite things, I just wanted to point out my favourite things. I absolutely love just sitting and watching Baxo, the 1-year-old tiger, and his mum, and then of course Boma. That's just, it is my favourite, absolute favourite. Thank you so much for coming along with me. Really appreciate your support, and until next time, bye.